I'll be making a Christmas tree out of the fall tree that I had previously made. It looks like this. So stay tuned if you would like to know how I achieved this DIY. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Also, hit the thumbs up and become a part of the family and subscribe. So if you want to know how this turns out, then don't go nowhere. So for this project, I will be needing a tree that I previously used as a DIY fall tree. It's gonna be flowers and also some greenery I got from Michael's. Some picks. I think I got the picks from Joann's. Joann's was having a good sale. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna be gluing, well, first I'm cutting the greenery and then I'm gonna be gluing it around the tree. So that's what I'm doing now. And with the picks, I'm gonna be basically gluing them as well. Or if I'm putting them in the middle, I really don't have to glue them, but certain places I'll be gluing them around the tree so that they'll stay.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again.
much finished with putting the picks on. Now I'm gonna actually put the tree inside of this little, I call it a vase. I got it from the Dollartree. And I ended up having to use the little Dollartree candle sticks, the glass ones, to hold it down so that it doesn't fall over. So at this time I am going to wrap the holiday ribbon that I have around the tree so that it will match with the top of the tree, because it was a different ribbon wrapped around it. So I'm doing that, and I'm holding it with hot glue.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only
So now that I've got all the candlesticks in, I'm gonna cover them with some tulle. That's what I'm doing at this time. I decided to go with silver, but use what you have. If you don't have tulle, then use whatever ribbon you have, or whatever you want to use, you can use, just to cover the foam, the flower foam, and the candlesticks. Or if you have those little clear pebbles, you can use those from the dollar store to like hold it down. And then around that, I'm going to glue some, I think that's garland. Yeah, that's garland. I'm going to glue some garland around. And then I'm going to just take off the rest of the tulle that I have wrapped around the vase, and I decided to just put that on top. And then just glue it down.
you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way.
Now I'm going to wrap some tulle around the vase. I'm going to glue it down so that it'll be secure. So this is the end of the project. I'm finished, and I'm gonna add some pictures in, and you can let me know if you've liked what I've done. If you're gonna try the project, let me know. Also, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think.